Hi, in this short webinar, I'd just like to introduce you to the requirements to install nSolver version 2.5 and the advanced analysis on the Mac operating system. So advanced analysis are a new kind of sample analysis introduced in nSolver 2.5. Rather than perform the analysis and visualization of the sample data within nSolver, the data are automatically exported to an open source statistical environment called R. nSolver is used to adjust the settings for each advanced analysis as well as to manage and launch the resulting visualizations. No familiarity with R is necessary to use the advanced analyses supplied by NanoString. Before performing any advanced analysis, R must be installed on the computer. Users with a Windows computer will be prompted to install it during the installation of nSolver. For users who are operating a Macintosh, though, they'll need to install R separately, and they'll also need to install Xquartz, which is a second open source application that provides the libraries required for certain of the R packages to function. So I'm just going to take you through this process. So first we need to install R. And to do this, we go to the R project page, rproject.org, and to download this, you just select your local mirror site and download the software. Making sure that you download it for the appropriate version. Once we've downloaded R, we can install the package. The final step is to install Xquartz, which contains a few libraries that the R package will need. And again, this is simply a question of downloading it from the website. All of these websites are given in the manual. You're now ready to install the nSolver package, though it's important to note you can install these three packages in any order you wish. So the first time you open nSolver, this step is very important. If you have a previous version of nSolver 1.1, you can import your data into nSolver 2.5. This is a one-time chance. So if you select no, not import the data, you won't be able to import the data directly into nSolver 2.5. But nSolver 1.1 will still be available. There's more details on this in the manual, but please be aware this is a one-time opportunity. And the only two things you need to do now to set up the advanced analysis is go to the analysis menu. If you installed R in the default locations, you do not need to do anything. But if you did install R in a different location, you'll need to tell the system where the R path is. And you'll also need to import your analysis. So we're going to import the analysis, and this is version 48. Do not unzip the zip file, just import it as is. And now your software is ready to run the advanced analysis on pan-cancer pathway samples. And we have a webinar that explains how to set up the analysis and a brief overview of the initial results. There's also a tech note that takes you into great detail. So thank you very much, and I hope this was useful for those of you using a Mac.